In this video, I will show you how to scan QR code in Telegram to add contact or to log in or to join any group in Telegram. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Telegram app. After you open up your Telegram, go ahead and click on profile. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on this QR code right here. So here we go. You have your account QR code right here. Now, how can you scan any QR code? Go ahead and click on scan QR code right here. And it's going to take you right here. You can easily scan any QR code through this particular QR code scanner right here. You can scan QR code of another Telegram to log into another Telegram account, or better still, to add a contact in Telegram. It's that simple. So you can also click on share QR code right here, which allow you to share your QR code in Telegram to anyone. For instance, if you want to add contact by QR code, how can you do that? Go ahead and click on contact right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to click on this plus sign right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on add via QR code. And then go ahead and position the QR code to this camera. Snap the QR code and the contact detail will be generated instantly. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Telegram app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.